Gage Flyback Rope and Racing Steel Creation moving up now the outside. Mama Zong and Alonsi showing speed now in the early part. Alonsi followed by Mama Zong. Good as gold. In between horses, Explosivo Steel Creation. And going along for the first turn, Alonsi leads the pack Balang, followed by Good as Gold. Running now in third, Mama Zong, moving up now by the Steel Creation. Around the outside is Coterminus and Johanna. And into the back they travel is still entry number 9. That's Alonsi moving up now. Good as Gold. Coterminus on the outside. Mama Zong, Steel Creations is sneaking now in between horses and inside the last 600 Alonsi Steel Creation moving up now the outside and running in third Mama Zong. Coterminus moving up now the outside is Jahan. Good as Gold. Whispering Melody Explosivo as they swing for home with Steel Creation leads the pack now by some 5 over Alonsi in second. Running in third is Johanna, but still Steel Creation pulling away, followed by Alonsi. And finally Steel Creation, Alonsi, Jahan, Mama Zong and Coterminus 7. Whispering Melody for your Super 6.
Ng forecast ay 77 po.
Oh, yung 3-9. Yan ang gusto mo, yung 3-9 na forecast.